So are you more of the visionary or the integrator? Because I know Dallin loves sales.
It's kind of mixed. Like I have visionary tendencies, but I'm definitely more of an integrator. Like I think that's why we work so well together. And I've been able to work with a lot of entrepreneurs, like when I was building out systems, because I
Mhm.
was able to see the visionary pieces, like where they want it to go and understand it. And actually go and build it. A lot of people don't have that skill set. They're either one or the other. Like I'm just a builder, and like I need someone to give me, what are my variables? What do I need to build? But I'm able to see both sides, so that way I can take it and be like, well, I get what you were trying to do, but that's going to lead us to the wrong point. So let me change your vision here and build this for you, because this is what you actually need.
So how did you find Dallin? Because and one of our partners, my partner Chase, is the polar opposite of me. I have no integrator skills whatsoever. I'd like to say I have no skills.
You got
Right.
some skills.
I just think like
Yeah.
is really my main job is think and lead people. And then he's
Mhm.
the integrator and he's really good at all that stuff. So how did you find Dallin?
So it was again working on a funnel project. So I was just freelancing again while I was working at this company, and I think someone in our network connected us that I worked with before, and they said, "Hey, I need someone that can build out funnels." So like I went, we chatted, we started working on a couple of side projects together, and then we're like, "I think we can build something really cool here." So we started trying to put together our own thing, and eventually it took off from there.